Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare glutathione versus Plix. We'll explore what each offers, starting with the fundamental role of glutathione as a vital antioxidant. Then, we'll look at how Plix, as a brand, incorporates glutathione into its product line. Our goal is to help you understand the key differences and similarities between these options for your health journey. Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant, playing a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and supporting cellular health. It's essential for liver detoxification and maintaining a robust immune system. You'll find it in various forms, each with different absorption rates and intended uses. So understanding these distinctions is key to effective supplementation. Plix approaches glutathione supplementation with a focus on convenience, often providing effervescent tablets that dissolve easily. Their formulations frequently combine glutathione with other beneficial compounds like vitamin C or alpha-lipoic acid, aiming for enhanced effects. When evaluating Plix, it's important to consider the complete ingredient list and how those components work together. When deciding between different glutathione options, always prioritize product purity and the specific dosage provided by each. Remember that individual needs and health conditions vary significantly, so consulting a healthcare professional is always recommended to ensure the best and safest choice for your unique health goals. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.